A software is only as powerful as you make it. So here in Matlab environment, when we work with animations, we use the concept of looping. Line number 1 and 2, I am cleaning the command window and the workspace. Then line number 4, I am creating the variable theta, which has 400 elements and values ranging from -pi to pi. Then taking two different radius values, I will plot two circles. This much part, I guess little bit you will remember from the previous video. Then here M1 is my starting index of the first section. Likewise, M1E is the ending index of the first section. Then we have M2 and M2E which form a pair, M3 and M3E which form a pair, M4 and M4E which form a pair. Next, when we are working with Matlab, we have to take care of the index value. So here, as theta has 400 elements, Matlab will report an error if you try to access element number 401 because that element does not exist. So in the course of looping, anywhere if we get the value exceeding 400, I use the modulus function mod, which divides M1 by 400 and returns the remainder. So the remainder will be less than 400. By giving the condition properly, we can make sure that anywhere our indexes don't reach 0 or less than 0 and they don't reach greater than 400 like 401 and beyond. This we perform for all our variables M1, M1E, M2, M2E, M3, M3E, M4, M3, M4E. Then line number 40, we display the different variables. This is simply for convenience of debugging. Then next is, here we have a condition. Let's consider the else part first. When we are using else, x1 and y1, we use theta values starting at M1, ending at M1E using the colon operator. This is the simple logic. However, when M1E becomes greater than M1, when will this take place? This will take place when M1E has exceeded 400, and using the conditions specified above, I have forcibly converted it back into the range 400. 1 to 400, less than 400. So in that situation, M1 might be greater than M1E. So what we do is, we start at M1, we go to 400, then again we start at 1 and go to M1E. This is how we will be making our selection of the theta array. And then after performing this condition for the 4 sections, we start plotting them. This much is same. This one command, I will use Ctrl R and comment it. Here I have introduced the pause function. What the pause function does is, between two executions of this loop body, I will have a delay of 0.2 units of time. So let us run this. M1 is equal to M1 plus 1. This is my update statement. This is how my M1 takes new values as my for loop executes. Here, as you are seeing, multiple images of my fan-like structure are getting displayed one over the other. So I am getting something like an illusion of motion. Why is it happening? Because animations made on any software work on the concept of persistence of vision. When two similar images are shown to us at a quick succession, our eyes try to create an illusion of motion. This is the same concept used in making movies, where 24 frames are displayed in 1 second. I will close this. Next, I will use Ctrl plus T. This is the shortcut to uncomment, and switch on this function. What is hold off doing is, like hold on, when we switch it on, then whatever was the old image, it retains. So that is how we can create multiple plots. Hold off is the opposite of that. So hold off will remove whatever were the old images and make it fresh. So we run this with hold off. Here you will see the old image is getting erased. So this is giving us a better idea of animation. With little practice and planning, you can make animations of your own. Planning is very important.